Edith, I'm home.
Hello, Archie. How was your day?
Lousy. Get off my chair, Gloria. No, Daddy. I have a right to sit in your chair. No, you don't.
That is the tornado siren! Let's go in the basement!
But Michael isn't home yet from school. I'm worried. That meathead husband of yours could wait. But his college doesn't have an underground location.
Oh, I'm sure he'll be all right. I remember my cousin more.
I don't care about your dingbat family. I'm getting my Navy souvenirs and going in the basement.
And I better get my wedding dress and the animal decorations and my shoes.
I'll get my clown bowl from when I was little, and I'll wait for Michael. Just get your bowl and go to the basement. And get off my chair. It's gonna be in the basement. Alright, we better hurry up if we want to save everything. Meanwhile, Michael, Gloria's husband, was rushing home. I better get home or else I'll die. Oh no. Meanwhile, back at home on 704 Hauser Street.
I guess we'll have to get a new house.
Michael Civic is badly injured. Let's rush him to a hospital. Yay! He's injured! No! This is what happens to meatheads.